So to hear our announcement, keep your heads up. Unang-una na dyan ang ating Sunday service. Magaganap sa PICC. Yan ay sa Forum 3, 10 a.m., 1 p.m., and 3 p.m.
And for our preschool students, your trainings will be at 8:15 a.m., 11:45 a.m., and 4:45 p.m. Kaya naman, don't dare to miss any of your classes. And this time, may I see the hands of all the women here? Ayan, because this August 23, 24, and 25, we will be having our Women's Encounter that will be held at PES. Kaya naman para sa mga encounter delegates, ayusin nyo na yung mga registration nyo ngayon at mag-coordinate kayo sa mga sa leaders nyo.
And syempre, Venus, kung merong Women's Encounter, hindi magpapatalo ang ating mga kalalakihan dito sa lugar na to. Kaya mga kalalakihan, itaas nyo naman yung mga kamay ninyo. Yan, mga kalalakihan, meron tayong Men's Encounter na magaganap naman yan sa August 30 to September 1. Kaya sabihin nyo sa mga cell leader nyo, i-register na kayo dyan. And lastly, huwag rin natin kakalimutan ang ating regional conference na yan ay magaganap na sa September 7 sa Cuneta Astro Dome.
And this time, alam ko na everyone is really excited to hear the Word of God. Kaya naman, let's welcome our speaker for today. She is taking out ECE from UA Manila, and she is also part of the cryogenics. So let's welcome Angelica Peña.